in next week we learned about capillarity, which is 毛细现象. So today we are going to learn siphonage. Okay, can anyone tell me, does anyone have any idea or method? How can we drain the water without moving? This is a dirty water tank. Does anyone have any idea? Yes, Kenneth. Oh, use a towel? You mean use a towel and you can put the towel here and the water will come through the towel and move out? Yeah, it's a good idea. But what are the pros and cons? What are the pros and cons if we use the towel to move water out of it? The pros is you can get a towel at home easily, right? But the cons is you have to take a lot of time to moving the outer water out. So I have a cool way to drain the water out of the water tank, and we are going to conduct an experiment. So these are the steps. We use a tube and we fill the tube with the water, and we have two ends of the tube, right? The inlet we have to put in the water, and the outlet we have to put in a container, just like this. So the A container is which is filled with water, and the B container is empty. Then this outlet have to be lower than A container's water level. So now we divide into groups and we start the experiment. So after the experiment, can anyone tell me, during the experiment, when does the water stop moving? Does anyone have any idea? Yes, Mandy. So the water stops when the container B, which is empty at the beginning, when the water level comes as the container's A water level. So these two containers reach the same water level after we do the experiment. And now, does the tube have to be filled with water? Does this tube have to fill with water? Does anyone have any idea? Yes, thank you. Good idea. And where should we put outlet? Where? At the beginning. We should put outlet below the container A's water level, right? So what if we don't put this outlet below this water level? If we put this outlet, if there's a table here and this is B. If we put the outlet here, is upper than the water level of A container, and the experiment won't succeed. So there are some reasons. And what we see this phenomenon is called siphonage, which is 虹吸现象. And 虹吸现象 is we use a tube which is filled with water, and the inlet here put into the water, and the outlet here we put in a container which is empty, and the outlet is have to below this water level of A container, and the water will go through the tube into the empty container. Then that's today's class. Thank you.